Remove the cloth cover. Unzip the tent from the bottom. Unzip the entire tent fabric all the way. Pull the fabric away from the corners. Pull away the entire cloth surface. Unfold the replacement fabric with the zipper facing up and the logo on the outside. Insert fabric from corner.
Insert the fabric and when the Naturnest Tik Tok you're done.
Drill out the rivets first, then open the gasket. Both left and right are required.
Pull the fabric away from the top of the tent.
After pulling it out, reinsert the replacement cloth. Align the tail and zip up. Insert rivets after installation.